Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to share with you guys a very little trick. Just now, I've been doing this machine on the one hub, which is cloners. And during the local privilege escalation, I should use this exploit code. As you know, this is the Python code. If you walk through this code very quickly, you should know that this code requires third-party module requests. This is not a built-in module of Python. So in order to run this code properly on the target machine, we need to check whether the request module is installed on the target machine. And just now, I failed to make such checks, okay? Because usually we can use pip3 command to get the list of installed modules. I mean the third-party modules. However, there are no pip or pip3 commands available on the target machine. So for our purpose, how to check the availability of the modules like requests or any other modules. Let me show you. This is, to be honest, if you know this, you will realize this is a very little trick. But, I'm eager to share with you, okay? Because this is the first time I check the modules. Modules availability with this way. Okay, so now let's head over to Linux, and we have already been in the text shell. I will not start from the scratch. So usually we can use pip or pip3 freeze to get the list of installed module just I mentioned earlier. However, as you can see, pip3 is not installed. And also, I don't think we have permission to install this module because this will require the privileged, requires the root or super user privilege. Okay, so how to do? We can make use of, make use of one special or one particular reserved variable of bash. This one, $, followed by the question mark. And this particular variable stores the return code of the previous command. If the return code is equal to 0, this means the previous command was executed successfully. Otherwise, it failed. Okay, so we can take advantage of this particular variable to check availability of third-party modules of Python. Okay, let me show you in action. We can run Python 3 with object of C, and we want to try to import the request module. And if this command is executed without a problem, and the return code would be 0, right? I think you have already got my idea. So let's press enter. Now, nothing happened or nothing returned. However, if you use the echo to echo out this particular reserved variable of bash, $question mark, as you can see, the return code is 0. Again, this confirms the previous command, yet this line of command was executed successfully without any problem. So from this point, we can know the target or this machine has third-party request module installed. So then, therefore, we can use this exploit to elevate privilege. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.